2-day event here in Eugene, Oregon. It is a partnership between a number of local churches, a lot of volunteers from the area who are members of those churches, and a lot of volunteers who aren't members of the local churches. And it's in conjunction with Amen. We're doing a 2-day dental clinic. Also, some additional medical care is taking place as well. It's incredible. We got here this morning and people were lined up literally around the building an hour and a half before the event even opened. And what you can see taking place here is just really ministry of a very practical nature where people are being relieved of suffering and they're being aided in practical ways that they really need help. So it's a blessing. It's an incredible thing. We're so happy to be a part of it.
We're at Impact Your Health Eugene, and as you can see, we're actually having an awesome time. We're serving the community, meeting their needs, and it is really, really awesome.
Here, everybody was willing to be prayed with, and I felt like I could actually make a difference and volunteer my time on the Sabbath day, which is a real blessing because that's what Jesus did. He was able to heal and bless on the Sabbath day. This event has been a great blessing and opportunity for myself even. Like I said, I had other plans for this weekend that I wanted to do, but my wife convinced me that this was what we should be doing this weekend. And she was right because, as usual, God's ways and serving Him brings great satisfaction and joy.
Really awesome to think that a lot of these people would never get this sort of medical attention and medical treatment, and something so simple like this just is hugely important to these people. And so that's a beautiful thing to know that you're a part of something that's making that kind of a difference.
You have so many people that have so many needs, and there's never enough help.
Amazing.
So it's really a blessing that you're coming out here to help the people that don't get service or don't get agents of help.
Thank you so much for coming out, Valera.